guys, we're going to Quran, so let's go.
We have 8 days and we are going in Coron. Meron lang kaming layover sa Cebu. It's gonna be a long day for us. But anyway, either way, long day naman siya. Kung mag-Clark man kami or mag-Cebu. It's almost 8 and our flight will be around 9. So, kakain muna kami ng breakfast. May Goto King dito and we got some donuts.
And we're gonna get porridge!
Yeah, that's Goto King.
Look at that. Ooh. Oh my god. It's so good, guys. Please try this when you're going to Quran.
We're at Cebu.
For your convenience, it's not.
From 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Let's relax here all day.
8 to 5 p.m. we have a free Filipino snacks. For
Ooh.
now po we have a puto.
Sige,
8
thank
feet, then 6 feet naman po yung sa kanila.
Ah.
It's a bit malamig touch.
It's okay.
It's nice din. Better than Naragil.
Balcony. Any. Barbecue.
Oh, Daddy, no!
Masarap yung chicken.
Sige, sige.
Good morning. Today is our day 2 here in Coron and we're going on a private tour. Andito kami ngayon port and we're just waiting for our boat. And we're going to do tour A.
We're finally here and check out the water.
Kayangan Lake. Ano ba? Hindi daw to yung Kayangan Lake. Sabi. Ito yung first stop namin, Kayangan Lake. Ang ganda. Tapos wala pa masyadong tao. Meron lang 100 steps going up, then 200 steps going down. Kayang-kaya. Kaya ni Leah eh. Right, Leah?
Yeah?
Did you enjoy that Kayangan Lake?
Jump!
Okay. Leah, say hi.
Ayaw mo ang basain.
Wait lang, ako kunin ko na din. Nag-video lang ako.
Watch daddy muna, watch daddy. Ayan, look. Oh. Sa kabila naman, dito.
We're here at Twin Lagoons. Twin Lagoon. And we're trying our best to kayak. Well, they're trying their best. I'm taking the video. Lia. Ito na yung anak ko. Nag-swimming na. Lia, say hi.
Hindi kita nakunan! Diba? Umikot ako, hindi ka nagsalita!
Hindi nga.
Oo!
Ano?
Ito na, nandito na.
Look like a guy who treat me right. Boy, take a chance when you let me ride. I could be the best thing in your life. Baby, let's take a drive, take a drive. Baby, let's take a drive, take a Look like a guy who treat me right. Boy, take a chance when you let me ride. I could be the best thing in your life. Baby, let's take a drive, take a drive. Baby, let's take a drive, take a drive.
What is your favorite part sa tour
Kala ko picture. Hindi ako ready. Kunwari akong fish, kinakagat kita.
Favorite part ko, same kami ni Lia, yung Kayangan Lake and the Coral Beach. Tahimik lang siya, walang tao. Ang ganda. So, maganda yung Coral Garden, ang daming fish. Hindi kasing dami dun sa shipwreck, ibang level ng dami yun. Ang daming fish, tapos kami lang yung tao. Yun yung best part. Tapos si Lia super ayaw niyang magpaawat. Kahit siya na lang nandun, wala na kami. We're back here at the Funny Lion and mag-chill lang kami. Chilling by the pool while Lia is swimming. Hinahanap siyang friend. humihikab na, pero swimming pa rin. Tomorrow, we don't have any itinerary because it's supposed to be our rest day. Chill lang kasi dapat tong trip na to. So, we're here in Coron for 8 days and I only booked 2 tours. So, for the rest of the trip, we're just gonna do whatever we planned tonight. Tonight lang namin siya pinagplanuhan. We're gonna go to Mount Tapias. It's going to be 700 steps and maganda daw yung sunset doon. Like, amazing view. And then after that, punta kami sa Makinit Hot Spring. So, we don't have any itinerary in the morning. We're just gonna sleep in, swim here, and if gusto namin magbigla ang snorkeling, pwede kaming pumunta sa port and just ask the boat. And then, yun. So, very chill lang tomorrow. And I think we're going to eat pizza for dinner para maiba naman. So, yeah, it was a very good day. I loved everything that happened today. Even the food, surprisingly, niluto nila sa boat and then serve nila sa amin. So, it was so good. For Leah, ito lang yung itinerary namin for today, is manood ng sunset sa Mount Tapias, which is dapat kanina pa kami nandito pero hindi kami nagising, tulog kami maghapon. Sarap. So itinerary is this one, and then pagod na siya, wala pa nga eh. After this, punta kami sa Makinit Hot Spring, which is 30 minutes away pala siya from here. Nagulat ako, sabi ni Kuya, antayin na kita, 700 papunta. Kuya, ganda na dito! Yan pa lang yung nalalakad namin, no? Pagod na si Leah. So yun nga, sabi ni Kuya, 700 papunta dun. So, nagulat ako. Malayo pala. Well, anyway. Oops!
Okay.
Later ulit. Mag-vlog. Kapagod.
Ito masarap na strawberry sa
We made it! She did 721 steps going up here. Yes, yung asawa ko nakahubad na.
init.
Ito yung view. So, inakyat namin siya, I think, 20 minutes. Kaya ng 15 kung dire-diretso. Pero syempre, nag-stop kami kasi kasama namin si Leah. Few stopovers for water and snack. Worth it naman siya. Worth it ba siya, babe?
Yeah.
Okay.
View.
Do you wanna do this every day? Yeah.
I can.
Kung dito kami nakatira, masarap siyang gawin every day para exercise. Ito na yung workout namin today. Oh my God, ang ganda.
Mommy, why did you make me go here?
I'm so proud of you.
I know.
Water. Okay, you've got all the snacks naman and water. We're here at Makinit Hot Spring. And after a very bumpy ride. Oh my God, hindi ko in-expect na ang tagal. Hindi ko in-expect na ganun yung ride papunta dito. Talagang umaalog kami sa trek. Inisip ko lang si Lia kasi medyo tumatama-tama siya sa gilid eh. But we made it again. And cut off pala dito 7 o'clock, so we're just right on time. Entrance fee is 300 per adult, per one adult, and then 150 sa bata. 150 ba? Oh, yeah, something like that.
It's our third day.
Is it?
Yeah.
Hi guys, today is Saturday. We're going to do Tour C. Nag-join kami sa Klook. So, hindi siya private boat. Lia, we're with other people. And, we're going to 3 islands. So, yeah. Kaya na. Ang dami kong kagat-kagat. Tignan niyo yung back ko.
Nick, dadali mo ba to? No na.
No. Ang dami kong kagat-kagat. So, punong-puno ako ng calamine lotion. I hope later okay na siya.
Yeah. Oh, it's so nice here. Kayangan Lake.
Ano ba? Not listening to the tour guide. Tingnan ko, mali-mali yung sinasabi. Ang ganda dito, Bulugdos Island. Going here, it's 2 hours lang. Can be 90 minutes to 2 hours. Pero kami, parang almost 2 hours na siya. And, ayun na, first stop namin siya. What we do here is snorkel, swimming, and next is Ditaytayan Island, sandbar, Ditaytayan sandbar. Then the last is ano yung last? Malapascua?
Ewan ko, but right now we're at Kayangan Lake.
Ano ba? This is our second stop, Ditaytayan Island. Ganda. Oh, my hair. Kakatapos na namin mag-photoshoot. Galing ni Kuya. Nag-human drone pa siya. So, ayan yung sandbar. Ayan. Ayan siya. And, pwede ka rin mag-snorkeling on that side. Wala masyadong tao.
Stay by the coast.
Third stop, Malcapuya Island.
Oh, it's so nice.
Yeah! Better than Boracay. Walang lumot. Sabi nila ito daw yung parang Boracay, but I think
Welcome to Kayangan Lake.
Malcapuya Island na. Your child has been marked absent. My child.
Me too.
And my other child. Ganda. Which is the best island?
This.
So nice here in Kayangan Lake. I wanna eat first. We're waiting for a boat driver. Drive from Dallas coming out. See those ropes? Hanging underneath.
Okay, it's
Hold
done.
on to that.
Okay.
And they'll drag out. Yeah, we're gonna ride.
Uy! So, dadalhin kami ng bangka dun sa gitna para dun kami magsusnorkel. Tapos, sabit lang sila. Tignan nyo. Ayan, sasabit sila sa bangka. Ayun, si Daddy, sasabit siya doon. Kami ni Lia, dito lang kami. For the boat princess.
Sasa kayo may bata. Sige, amo sa gitna mo, sa kabila ba sa'yo na? Apat-apat mo sa tali ah. Isang tali sir, pwede nga pati ang hawak.
Sobrang kakaiba tong experience
Alam mo,
na to.
ganda na. Okay, upo tayo ma'am.
Look like a guy who's show me right. Boy, take a chance when you let me ride. I could be the best thing in your life. Baby, let's take a drive, take a drive. Baby, let's take a drive, take a
Sunday. Today is our last day here at the Funny Lion. And check out na kami. I'm going to miss this place. Tignan nyo naman. Every morning, ganito siya. Ayan. Yan yung view namin. And yesterday pala is yung tour namin, yung tour C. Pumunta kami sa 3 island, 'di ba? Pinakita ko sa inyo. Grabe, favorite namin yung Malcapuya Island. Ang ganda. Halos walang tao nung dumating kami. Tapos ang fine ng sand, super chill ng vibe. Tapos grabe yung water. Much better than Boracay yung Malcapuya for me. Check out na kami. We're gonna eat lunch
Yeah.
and spend
Yeah.
time there until lumipat kami sa next hotel. Okay, let's
Just into a syrup, sweet syrup. That's
para
why
it will
turns-
last long.
Yeah, that's why it turns red.